Okay, so once again, a very hearty good evening to all of you. And today we are going to discuss about the flagship product of 4Life India, which is 4Life Transfer Factor Plus. We are going to speak about the upgradation in the formula with cordyceps as well as olive leaf extract and what are the benefits of these ingredients and how this product is different from other products in the market and how 4Life stands apart from other brands when we say ourselves as the immune system company. So, as you all know, the history of transfer factors in 1949, Dr. H. Sherwood Lawrence discovered this very, very beautiful molecule called as transfer factors. And he discovered that white blood cells extract contains a factor which is capable of transferring immune information from a donor to a recipient. Okay. So he named these factors as transfer factors. What he did was Dr. H. Sherwood Lawrence, he basically made his groundbreaking discovery while he was studying the immune system to a particular disease. So what he saw was he observed that white blood cells from the person who had developed immunity to a particular disease could transfer the immunity to other person who has never been exposed to the disease. Dr. Lawrence concluded that there is substance within the white blood cells which have this capacity to transfer immunity information from a donor to a recipient. And this substance or this molecule was then coined the term as transfer factors. So what it that time it was revolutionizing our understanding of immune response and paving the way for new approaches in the field of immune system science. And that's how became the started the discovery of transfer factors. Now in 1998, respected Mr. David Lisenby, in search of good health for himself, what he did was he discovered transfer factors. Now he discovered a patent at the US Patent Office for extracting transfer factors from cow colostrum. Now Lisenby, what he did was Mr. Lisenby contacted the patent owners and secured a license agreement to use these transfer factors in his immune support products. Now, this innovation was something which led to these transfer factors, which led to creation of different products. Now, transfer factors from cow colostrum mark the beginning of 4Life journey to becoming. यानी कि जब 4Life के products के बारे में हमने start किया बनाना इन products को, सबसे पहले we started extracting transfer factors from cow colostrum and we patented that extraction process. And transfer factors from cow colostrum is something which marked the beginning of 4Life's journey to becoming the immune system company in the world. So unlike common supplements you will find in the health and food stores, transfer factors, they are not vitamins, they are not minerals, and they are not herbs. They are these messenger molecules that transfer immune system memory and knowledge from one entity to another. Now let's understand what is 4Life transfer factor plus trifactor formula. So immune, the best thing, the first line that you can see on this slide is it says immune system wisdom meets immune system boosting nutrition. What is the meaning of this? The meaning is when we say immune system wisdom, we are getting immune system wisdom from transfer factor molecules. And in this product, we are also adding the botanical extracts, we are adding herbs, and we are adding a very powerful micronutrient, which is zinc in it. So transfer factors, in this product, we have transfer factors, a proprietary ingredient that helps the immune system recognize, respond, and remember any potential health threat. Then we have zinc, which is the only micro mineral or only micronutrient that is present in this formula, which plays a very crucial role in immune function and can help boost the immune system. Next, we have Mitaki shiitake mushroom and cordyceps. And cordyceps is a type of fungus that has been traditionally used in Chinese medicine to improve overall health, well-being. It is a very well-researched ingredient when it comes to, giving a boost, giving a balance to your immune system, has lots of therapeutic properties as well. Now, this formula has 4Life transfer factors. It has IP6, inositol hexaphosphate. It has phytosterols in the form of olive leaf extract. We have zinc, we have aloe vera, we have Mitaki shiitake mushroom, and of course, cordyceps in it. Now, why use 4Life transfer factor plus trifactor formula? First of all, it enhances, balances, and educates the immune system. Enhance means this formula can help boost your immune system's ability to recognize and respond to pathogens. Number one. It educates means it will give your immune system a education how they should work, so that it gives the optimum balance and optimum direction to your immune system. And when we call it balance, the formula ingredients work together to regulate the immune response. So reducing the risk of overactive immune response and underactive immune response that can lead to chronic inflammation and other health-related health challenges. Okay, so it is helping you balance the immune system. It is educating and enhancing. Then it contains folate transfer factors to raise your immune IQ. It contains zinc, which to support the production and functioning of all the immune system cells, especially T cells. Now, next thing is it supports immune system function, which in turn promotes healthy energy levels and overall wellness. So when you look at cells, cells become tissue, tissue become organ, and organ become organ system. Entire activity of any organism and organ system is dependent on the immune response. That means if the immune response is to the point, every part of the body is going to work properly, your energy levels are going to be good, your nutrition absorption in the body is going to be good, your overall wellness and health is going to be in the perfect shape. Now, if you look at the immune system, your immune system has two main parts. Number one is innate immune system. So it acts like a standing army. It is something which you get at the time of birth. It is, innate immune system, if you see, it is constantly on alert and it is ready to attack anything which is unusual in the body or anything foreign that enters into your system. Okay. Then when you look at adaptive immune system, this system is developed over time. As you grow up, this system is something which is developed over time, and it encounters the foreign invaders. So it's like it's trained elite forces, you can say, and it is they are particularly on a mission. So it provides a delayed but a very specific response to any kind of health challenges or threat that your body faces. So innate immune system is something which is standing army, which is constant, which is alert. Adaptive immune system is something which is developed over time. It is little slow, but it provides like the perfect, it's like a perfect shot to kill the microorganisms or the health threats that your body sees. And the next thing is both the innate and adaptive immune system have different roles,
Just
but they're
one
very
la
crucial
fase
for
di rocche
defending the body. Can you please mute your mic? Okay. So both of these are very, very important, very crucial for the immune system, and they work in synergy. They work in synergy to help your body against a lot of threats and microorganisms. Now, let's look at the next slide, which says about immune system cell types. So, when we are speaking about the product, we always listen about the NK cells, about the T cells, about the B cells, about the macrophages, right? So now let's understand in simple language what is natural killer cells. So basically, natural killer cells are the immune cells that can recognize and kill harmful invaders without prior sensitization. So whenever there is a threat near the body, the first type of immune cells which come near you to help you is natural killer cells. Then we have T cells. These are type of immune cells that recognize and eliminate any type of infected cells or foreign threats that come near your body. Next, we have B cells. These work against in antibody production and many immune system memory. So B cells are basically immune cells that produce antibodies to recognize the pathogens, toxins, or foreign substances in the body. Then we have macrophages. These are large phagocytic cells. These cells can engulf and digest the foreign substances. So these are very powerful cells and they can engulf any kind of फॉरेन पार्टिकल्स दैट वी हैव सो व्हाट मतलब अगर हिंदी में हम कहें तो ये निगल लेते हैं किसी भी तरह के फॉरेन पार्टिकल्स और सब्सटेंसेस को. Okay, then transfer factor, what they do is they communicate vital immune system information that supports all type of your immune system cells, including all the immune system cell types. So basically transfer factors are these molecules that are going to give a push to your immune cells so that they can work properly and up to the mark. Now let's come up to a study जो कि सबसे बड़ा hit रहा है 2024 का. All of our distributors, all of our corporate employees, they have been very vocal about this study, and we as a corporate and as a company, we are really proud of this study that has been came. So this is like, the study which shows the transfer factors activates the immune responses in as little as 2 hours. Okay. So the study found that a single dose, which is 600 milligrams of transfer factors, it can lead to rapid changes in the serum cytokine levels, showing increased immune system activation and communication. So basically, this indicates the enhanced immune surveillance and response to potential health threats. So it was seen that when you're giving a particular person 600 milligrams of transfer factors, it was seen and it was very clear that it activates the immune system within 2 hours. So this was a clinical study which was done. If you want, any of you can message me or the business managers. We can send you the link of the study that we have. You can also find it on the social media platforms that about this study and the PDF that we have regarding this study. Now let's go on to the key ingredients which are there in this formula. Without any doubt, transfer factor trifactor formula. The first ingredient in transfer factor trifactor formula is ultra factor. It is a proprietary concentrate of ultra filtered whole-life transfer factor, proteins and other peptides from cow colostrum, which provides a very broad range of protection to your immune system. Okay. Now, next we have ovofactor, which is a patented concentrate of whole-life transfer factor, proteins and other peptides from chicken egg yolk to support your immune system. Now, the speciality about ovofactor is that it gives, a protection against specific but very, very risky subset of microorganisms that our body can face. Then we have nanofactor, which is a proprietary concentrate of nanofiltered cow colostrum to support your immune system. So these are basically very, very small particles, and the speciality about these particles is that they can amp up your immune system by increasing the communication between the cells. Then we have zinc in it. अब zinc की ये खासियत है कि it is the only micronutrient that we have in this product. That is the only mineral that we have in this product. So zinc is the only nutrient in transfer factor plus, but it is there for a reason, and a very good reason. Because zinc is something which is involved in most of the immune related cellular reactions. Now, all of you must have, observed that zinc is something which all the doctors also write whenever there is a need for the body to have a better immunity or a better recovery against any health challenge. Okay. So zinc is is the only nutrient that we have added in transfer factor plus, but there is a reason for it. Okay. Now, zinc is something which is involved in all the immune-related cellular reactions. Your immune system will not function properly if there is deficiency of zinc. Also, during the time of immune system stress, your body needs more of zinc. So, zinc was added in transfer factor plus to hopefully ensure that your body has an adequate amount. जब भी आपकी body it is at rest or it is preparing for the battle, it is very important to have zinc. Appropriate amount of zinc in the body. So the zinc in this product is 90% of your daily recommended amount per serving. Then we have a super mushroom blend. Then we have cordyceps in it, which increases the number of T cells in the blood and spleen. So spleen, what is spleen? A lot of you must not be knowing about the spleen. So basically spleen is a very important organ that filters the blood. So what is the spleen kya karta hai? It will remove the old red blood cells and foreign substances from your body. And it also stores blood cells and plays a role in the immune response by activating immune cells and filtering out the pathogens. So basically, very simple words mein, it is an organ which filters the blood. It removes the old RBCs and it will remove the foreign substances. Okay. So cordyceps is something which will increase the number of T cells, immune cells, very important. Then it will T cells in the blood and spleen. So spleen say it will take off the T cells that are there. Okay. Then it will influence the immune system cell function like cytokine production and it regulates the immune system cell function also. Okay. So cytokine produced by the spleen play a very crucial role in regulating the immune response, activating the immune cells and modulating any kind of inflammation. So what this product will do is it will increase the number of T cells in the blood and spleen. So it is going to take off all the microorganisms. It is going to help in the regulation of immune system cell function. Next thing is a lot of evidence suggests that Maitake mushroom, Maitake fruiting body extract has immunomodulatory effects. That means it will modulate your immune system according to your immune system type. In one study, it was shown that these mushrooms show to stimulate the cellular branches of the immune system defense reaction. So any kind of defense reaction, if there is in the body, they will try to, stimulate the cells, the immune cells in the body. Then shiitake mushrooms, they stimulate the immune cells. They will increase the NK cell activity, number of B cells, and stimulate the immune system defense reaction in the body. Now let's come to cordyceps. So basically cordyceps was originally found only in the highest mountain valleys of the Himalayas, and it was rare to find, but it yielded very unique benefits. Early on, this remedy was only available to the kings. Now today it is cultivated, यानी कि इसकी खेती की जाती है, so that a lot of people can get benefits by augmenting the release of several of the chemicals that immune cells use to communicate. So a nice complement to communication benefits offered by the transfer factors. Okay. So whatever the benefits that transfer factors are giving us, cordyceps is a very wonderful complementing ingredient in this formula. And it is a type of fungus that has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries to boost immunity. It will improve your respiratory function also. And a lot of research is being done on this ingredient because it will enhance your immune system, number one, because it will help in stimulating the production of cytokines, which will help in fighting off any kind of health threats. Second thing what cordyceps will do is it will increase the antioxidant activity in the body. So it will help reduce the free radicals or neutralize the free radicals. Okay. Third thing, it improves the T cell functioning. Okay. Which is very critical for cell mediated immunity. So for the cell specific immunity, it is very important to improve the T cell functioning. Then it will boost the natural killer cell activity also. So very wonderful ingredient, a magical ingredient. And this is an ingredient which we have been waiting for a long time to get back in India. And now we are able to do it. So of course, we are expecting double sales of this product with this, enhancement of the ingredients. Okay. Now we also have oats in this. Now, oats basically, they have been found to have immunomodulatory effects, okay, which means that they can modulate or regulate the immune system response. Now, oats are basically oats, maitake shiitake mushroom, aloe vera, and baker's yeast. All of these are polysaccharides, and polysaccharides are these medium and long chain sugars that are there. And polysaccharides are basically the are the active substance, we can say, which have this capacity to give sticky, जो लिसलिसापन होता है ना, the sticky nature to oats and olive, you can see the aloe vera, okay. And this sticky nature is very important for modulating the immune response. So it has anti-inflammatory effects. If you can see, oats has a very important anti-inflammatory effects because of the presence of beta glucans in it. Then we have immune system regulation because of the presence of, again, beta glucans in it. And we have antioxidant effect also in oats. So oat seed extract is something which is very powerful polysaccharide that is there in this product. Then we have baker's yeast. It is a type of microorganism that can boost the health of immune system. So how it works basically, baker's yeast, if you look, it is a very tiny living thing that is commonly used to make bread rice. Okay. जो bread में जो खमीर आता है जैसे हम कहते हैं, that is because of the baker's yeast. It is also how does it help in balancing the immune system? Because baker's yeast contains special substances that can stimulate the immune system. When we eat foods containing baker's yeast, these substances can interact with the immune cells and make them work better. Okay. So basically baker's yeast, lot of studies have shown to boost the immune system benefits. So basically it will fight off any kind of health threats that you see. Now, aloe vera is a very soothing herb. It will help in, basically it will help in calming down any kind of inflammation in the body. So aloe vera is immunomodulatory. Again, it will effects on macrophages and cytokine production. So it stimulates the macrophages to release the cytokines, which signal molecules that help the immune system communicate and attack the health threats. So in very simple words, it will, these are it is a very calming, we can say, a herb, and it will help in, your body protect against any kind of health threats, and it will increase the immune system communication between the different immune cells. Then we have inositol hexaphosphate. Inositol hexaphosphate kya hota hai? It's basically it is also called as IP6, and it is something which supports the immune system by helping mature new immune system cells. So it will helping in maturing and generating new immune system cells. And it will again boost the NK cell activity, and it will increase the activity of NK cells, which will fight off any kind of health threats. And it also has anti-inflammatory effects and antioxidant properties also. So very powerful antioxidant also, and it has benefits for heart also, which is a secondary advantage of this ingredient. Then we have olive leaf extract, which is, you can say, a plant sterol. That means a steroid or a sterol, which comes from plant. And it has been shown to increase the NK cells, activates helper T cells, and help the immune system become more and more effective. It reduces inflammation, protects your cells, boosts the antimicrobial activity. That means it is going to, fight off against a lot of bacteria that you see. Antimicrobial activity activates the NK cell activity and reduces inflammation and protect your cells. So contains antioxidants that protects your cells from cell damage. So the directions are, you have to take 3 capsules daily with a glass of water. And this is once again for you all, the launch training of 4Life Transfer Factor Plus Trifactor formula. And we are really, really happy with the addition of olive leaf extract as well as cordyceps in it. If you have any doubts, we'll open up the session right now. For the question and answer round, we are open.